Tulog na si birthday girl. 'Di ba? Mom mode. Pinagpatong ko yung carrier niya tsaka yung hoodie natin. 'Di ba? Ang sarap ng higa niya diyan. So let us going to Hong Kong. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Behave, okay? Just sleep, okay?
Enjoy.
Oh, 2 hours.
Where's the dog? Point to the dog.
Where's the dog?
Pointing to the dog.
Sobrang sumarap naman yung tulog niya. Dada's getting our luggage. Do you want Donald? Okay, she wants Donald back. Later, you're gonna see Donald. So, kalmado naman siya sa carrier na gamit ko. So, lesson learned.
Hindi na magdadala ng stroller.
Yes.
First train. So lang.
We're going to this Hi, say hi. It's Mickey Mouse. Let's go. Let's check in na. Where's Mickey Mouse? There's Mickey and Elsa.
Hi.
Hi, Mickey. So we're just checking in. Super ganda. There's Mickey Mouse. Solana's favorite. Cabinet. CR. And a tub. Full-size mirror. And the main event, Mickey Mouse. Solana, welcome to your room. It's Donald. Hi, Donald. Hi. And Mickey Mouse. Go, go, go. Mickey Mouse. M-I-C-K-E-Y. Go to Mickey Mouse.
Wow.
Yay! Hi, Mickey. Can you say hi to Mickey? Hi. Hi, Mickey. Oh, dance, dance pa siya, oh. Who's that? Is that Mickey Mouse? Are you happy? Yeah. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to... So, we're staying here sa Disneyland Hollywood Hotel. Napili namin to kasi tingnan niyo yung room namin. Oh, Mickey Mouse themed siya. And eto si Solana, favorite niya si Mickey Mouse. Ever since 4 months siya. Kasi, trivia lang, dati si Solana, ang hirap niyang paliguan. Like, umiiyak talaga siya, hindi siya tumitigil. Tapos I'm talking about you. Tapos, one time, yung daddy niya, ginagaya yung boses ni Mickey Mouse. Sabi niya, hi, Solana! Gumaganon. Tapos, kumakalma siya. So, ayun, doon. Pinapanood siya ni Piola ng Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Tapos ever since, kalmado na siya tuwing naririnig niya si Mickey Mouse. Tapos tuwang-tuwa siya kay Mickey Mouse, kaya napag-decidean namin. Etong trip na to, nabook na to around November pa lang, 4 months or 5 months pa lang si Solana nun. Napag-decidean na namin na dito na lang siya mag-birthday para ma-meet niya si Mickey Mouse. Right? Do you wanna see Mickey Mouse later? Yeah. So, may dinner buffet kami later and meron siyang meet and greet sa characters. So, dalawa dyan sa kanila yung mamimit ni Solana mamaya. I don't know who, pero sana si Minnie and si Mickey para happy si baby! Right now, you're laughing at mommy? But anyway, ang puti naman. Today, gagawin namin is pupunta kami ng Mongkok. Tapos mamaya magde-dinner buffet kami dun sa kabilang hotel. And then tomorrow, Disneyland Day kasi birthday ni Solana bukas. And then sa third day, last day na namin. So free day na namin yun. I think pupunta lang kami sa kabilang hotel. Kasi 3 hotel to guys. Lahat sila puro may mga Mickey Mouse. So papasyalan ni Solana lahat yon. And ayan, tapos na si Piolo. So aalis na kami. Hindi na ako magdadala ng DJI sa Mongkok. Kasi yung gusto ko lang talagang i-vlog yung about dito sa Disneyland. Kasi this trip is all about Solana! What can you say? Ayun.
Bye-bye.
Ang dinner namin 7 p.m. So kailangan nandito na kami by 5 para makarest si Solana. Mga basang
Mga lapot na lapot. Mami, go, go.
Hi, Mickey!
Sino si Mickey Mouse? There, oh. Mickey. Mickey.
Mickey! Mickey! Hi! You say hi to Mickey Mouse.
Hi, Mickey. Say hi. Hi.
Mickey.
Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Hi. Let's go.
Ang mga basang sisiw. Bye, Mickey! See you tomorrow! Kakauwi lang namin from Mongkok and later may dinner kami and dumating to. So, ayan. Kapag nag-check-in kayo dito and merong birthday celebrant, you just tell them and bibigyan nila kayo ng ganito. So, towel cake siya from Mickey Mouse. Sakto kasi favorite ni Solana si Mickey Mouse. So, Solana, look! It's Mickey Mouse cake! That's cake! Oh, oh. Get it. Aba, aba, aba. Aba, aba. Aba. So, besides the free cake, you also get free vouchers. So, pwede siya sa meals and sa Disneyland stores. And then, meron kang birthday pin. So, ito yung gagamitin niya tomorrow para i-greet siya ng mga characters. Tapos, meron kang special entrance and may free shuttle. So, pwedeng, lalong-lalo na kung may baby kayo, pwedeng kapag gusto nyong umuwi or bumalik muna sa hotel, pwede kayong maglabas-pasok sa Disneyland. So, ayun. Kaya kahit medyo pricey siya, sulit siya, lalong-lalo na kung may baby kayo. Look at Solana's dress. O, diba? Inspired siya kay Minnie Mouse. Ito yung outfit niya para sa dinner tonight. O, diba? Naka 3 outfit changes na siya this day. Day 1 pa lang 3 outfit na dahil siya ang main character for this trip.
Stockings, stockings. First, okay, left. Enter the left. Then right.
No, that's mommy's camera.
Baby, right. Then,
No,
Right
don't go
foot.
down.
right foot.
Yay!
And then push up. And then Solana will go down. And then Solana stockings tayo para iwas. Nick-nick. Nick-nick. Nick-nick Nicole.
Madami daw kasing nick-nick dito.
Ah,
Pag kinagat ka nun talaga,
Pag
nag-spread
kinagat
siya
ka
sa...
ng nick-nick, para kang tinamaan.
Nag-spread siya sa balat.
Wow.
So, Solana's wearing... She's Minnie Mouse tonight. Sana si Minnie Mouse yung
Sana.
guest doon,
Tara
no?
na, hindi na naabutan yun.
Naabutan natin yan. Kasi, let's go na!
Let's go.
Wait, I'm gonna
Ano
put
shoes
ipet.
Mickey's always near me, laugh and jump around, dancing in the sunshine, never feeling down. We'll run through.
Sana si Mickey yung nandun, or si Minnie Mouse. Para di sayang yung outfit niya sa lahat. Yeah, that's exciting! So,
Together we play every single day. Mickey's my friend.
later daw at 8 p.m. sila bababa yung characters. Sana si Mickey!
Colors popping brightly, sprinkling with delight. Mickey holds my hand now, everything so right. Mickey's my friend, together we play every single day. Mickey's my friend, with a smile so bright, everything's alright. Mickey's always near me, laughing, jump around, dancing in the sunshine, never feeling down. We'll run through the night, chasing butterfly. Mickey's right here with me, reaching for the sky. Mickey's my friend, together we play every single.
Baby, you have a lot of food. Special meal of the night for Solana. Beef with salmon rice. Are you happy, baby? Happy! Isang picture. Yummy! Kain lang kayo para pagdating ni...
I see someone. Ayun, nakita na niya. Hello! Goofy! Oh my God! Come here!
Hi, Goofy!
Ang dami pa niyang table. You want to see Goofy? There's Goofy! Goofy! Hi, Mickey! Hi, Mickey! Mickey? You say hi, Mickey. Hi. Hi, Mickey. Is that Mickey? Mickey Mouse. Mickey. Hi. Okay, let's go back to our seat now. Hello. Naiyak ako. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Huwag mo ubusin.
So excited.
She's been watching Mickey Mouse since she's 4 months.
It's her birthday tomorrow.
Hi, Mickey.
Come here, come here.
Hug, Mickey, hug!
Hug, can you hug?
Yay! Can I join?
Let's go. Let's take a picture.
This way. Okay,
Ano yung break?
hindi ko naiintindihan. Mickey! Hi! Yay, Mickey!
Thank you.
Thank you, Mickey!
High five, high five.
High five!
High
Blow a
five.
kiss, blow a kiss!
Blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss!
Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Hug Mickey, hug
Can
Mickey!
you hug me?
Bye, Mickey!
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mickey! Thank you very much. Oy, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. She's so happy.
Yeah.
I think I just became so full. Bye-bye! Bye-bye na, baby. May iba pang... She's so happy. Did Mickey Mouse say, blow a kiss? Mickey Mouse kissed you? Like this? Blow kiss, blow kiss. Sila naman.
Wait, just wait.
Wait!
Wait for your turn. Okay?
Nakikita niyo na kasi. Baby, baka mauntog.
Come here. Sayang yung ano mo? Yung badge mo?
Wait, dali mo to. Lalapit ka. Pero
Hindi,
wag
dito
na.
lang. Oo eh, pag tayo masyado. Baka mainis natin. Ito yung nalapit sa kanina pa.
Mickey!
Hey, Mickey! Hey, Mickey! Ah, si Goofy.
Nandun sa kabila. Mamaya si Winnie Mouse to.
Nagbibihis pa si Kuya.
Si Mickey oh.
Are you
Ayun na si
excited?
friend mo ba yun sa likod mo?
She's so excited.
Really? Have anyone come to the table before?
No.
Mickey, Minnie, no?
Robin. Hi, Mickey.
Yun.
Pag ito pinalabi niya, bigyan ko tip to. $200 sa akin yun. Ito kaya. Mickey! Mickey!
Mickey!
Remove na natin to. Para cute ka. Look at Mickey, oh!
Oh my God! Mickey's coming! Baby, upo mo lang kayo.
Relax.
Baby, DJ, ay mo.
Hi, Mickey. Mickey na. Gusto mo na hanggang room yan?
Tawagan natin sila, nakakatawa yun. Okay lang.
So excited na. Just wait for your turn, okay?
Oh my goodness. Be!
Is that Goofy? Ano, hindi na lang.
Goofy!
Is that Goofy? Ah, dyan sila lang.
It's Minnie Mouse! Hi, Minnie! Hi! So cute! Hug Minnie! Hug Minnie! See you later! Yes, Minnie! Hi, Minnie! Ayun, so upo mo siya. Upo mo.
Sa loob.
Hi, Minnie! There's Minnie! There's Minnie! Hi, Minnie! Oh, no, 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 no!
Baby, picture. Can you
One, cute smile! Cute smile!
Yeah, okay.
Yay! Hug Minnie!
Yeah,
Yay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Thank you, Minnie! Yay! Oh, kiss!
Blow a kiss. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Laughing. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Eat first. Thank you. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Bye-bye. Waiting for you.
He will sign your book.
Big one, because he's your favorite. Hi. Look at Mickey.
Mickey Mouse! There!
Hello.
She's so sleepy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mickey! Hey, look.
Bye-bye. She's sleepy. Good night. Bye-bye.
Look at Minnie Mouse.
Miss, can you
Babe,
write
nagbababay.
down the date today here? Just the date.
Ay!
Ay, ate.
Ate!
Today kasi pala. Nag-English pa ako. Sayang naman yun. Okay, go na.
So it's 3 a.m. and we're gonna make a mini surprise for Solana para pagising niya, may ganyan na. Ayan. This is so cute. Kaya lang yung nabili naming cake kanina, maliit lang. So I don't know if I'm still gonna use this. Charan! Mommy's gonna help you. Okay. Okay, she wants to. Sige na, birthday mo naman. Pagbigyan. Nom. Napanis na laway ka pa. Did you meet Mickey Mouse last night? Can you say hi, Mickey? I miss you. I'm gonna see you again later. We made a little surprise for Solana. So, may cake from the hotel, mini cake, and birthday crown. And then, this one. Ayan, this one is from our dinner last night. So, anyway, si Piolo bumibili siya ng toy sa baba para may toy si Solana pagkagising niya. Kasi binigyan siya ng mga lola at lolo niya para pang bili ng Elsa toy. Kasi walang Elsa toy sa Philippines. Sabi ni Piolo yung mga Elsa toy daw sa Philippines banlag. So, ang ganap namin today, meron kaming shoot sa Disneyland ng 10:30 and guys, buti na lang ang araw na kasi kahapon, buong araw, umuulan, umaambon. And alam niyo ba, super kabado ako about this trip kasi maulan talaga sa Hong Kong kapag July, nawala siya sa isip namin. Pero kasi July yung birthday ni Solana and November pa lang, na-book na namin to, like the plane ticket, where we're gonna eat, Disneyland ticket, and non-refundable yun lahat. Last weekend, may mga nagka-cancel na ng flights kasi nga may bagyo sa Hong Kong. So, naisip ko, oh my God, pag yan na-cancel, para tayo nagtapon ng pera. But anyway, ayan, tingnan nyo, super liwanag. So, thank you, Lord. The view from our room. And if nakikita nyo yun, that one, yan yung Disneyland Castle. Slinky Ride. And ayun yung Frozen World, somewhere there. Kita ko siya dito, hindi ko lang alam if nabibigyan siya ng justice ng camera. Kung hindi kami nag-dinner kagabi, makikita namin from our room yung Momentos. Pero kasi guys, super sulit nung dinner namin kagabi. And na-realize ko lang, dun sa mga, yung iba kasi sinasabi nila, hindi pa daw worth it idalhin sa Disneyland or what, yung mga baby, kasi hindi daw nila naalala. Pero guys, kagabi, oh my God. Kung saan kami nag-dinner, girl, pag uwi namin dito, sabi ni Piola, sino nagsabing hindi mag-e-enjoy ang bata sa Disneyland? Yes, hindi nila maaalala, but the moment, yung moment na yon na makita mo si Solana na super happy niya, as in, parang, alam mo yung nagsasparkle yung eyes niya, kasi ever since talaga, si Mickey Mouse na yung pinapanood niya. And ayun nga, na-meet niya si Mickey Mouse and super tagal ng interaction nila kasi tuwang-tuwa sa kanya yung staff, tuwang-tuwa sa kanya yung mga tao, tuwang-tuwa sa kanya sila Mickey, binabalikan siya ni Mickey Mouse. Super saya ng experience, as in, naiyak ako sa sobrang saya para kay Solana. And then, nag-avail kami nito. Ayan. I don't know if you can see it kasi super araw talaga. You have 6 photos, tapos isa-sign siya ng characters, and then, ayan. Girl, Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. I think nandito na si Piolo. Get the toy. Ayan, nagawa niya na yung toy. And gising na din si Solana. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby! Ayan yung outfit niya today. Pinagbihis ko na siya bago ko siya patulugin para hindi na siya makapalag. Kasi, ayan. Happy birthday, baby! Put the toy there. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, dear Solana!
Happy birthday to you.
Mickey Dan.
Complete na. Nandyan na si Mickey Mouse. Later, we're gonna buy more toys, okay? Diba, baby-friendly talaga yung hotel na to. This one's for free, yung mga baby cot. Oh, look at your breakfast. It's Mickey Mouse. Oh. Light breakfast lang kami. Kasi dapat magbo-buffet kami, pero etong dalawa, ang sarap pa ng tulog eh. So, mamaya na lang kami babawi. And then, after we eat this, we're gonna go to Disneyland na.
Orange juice. Baby, oh. Mickey Mouse. Mickey.
Totoo
Wow.
talaga ano eh. Happiest place on earth is the most expensive place on earth. Croissant and, what's this?
Spinach, cheese, kimeme. Per order, $90.
Ang dami ng tinapay nun sa ano? Iho.
Iho.
Eh dito isa lang.
Hindi lasa, no?
Yeah. Hello!
Say hi.
Hi! We're going to Disneyland.
Baby.
Let's go! Hi, Solana!
升降机落中的。
You say hi! Ooh. Oh, you have Minnie Mouse shoes. Huh? Is that me? Lalaki yung mata eh. We're gonna go to Disneyland. Ang ganda nito, oh, music box siya. Tapos, mga Disney songs. Ang ganda niya kaso hindi pa siya ma-enjoy ni Solana. Hindi pa marunong si Solana mag-ganyan. Mickey Mouse again? Mickey Mouse again? They provide free shuttle. So, you can go to free hotels. Disneyland Hotel, Disneyland Lodge, Disney Lodge Hotel, Disneyland Park, and ito, Disneyland Hollywood Hotel. So, every 10 minutes, may bus na nagpo-pick up. And then, ihahatid ko nila kung saan na. Yeah, free shuttle. But, sana umabot kami. Ang dami ng pila. Sobrang araw, guys!
Thank you, Lord, for the sun. Baby, sabihin mo.
Thank you!
Sali tayo dun.
We're here na Disneyland. Ang daming tao. Kahapon din kahit maulan, madaming tao eh, no?
Nakabili na kasi yung ticket eh.
Sa bagay. So,
May mga nasa hotel, basa talaga.
here's Solana. Yan.
Ano? Pinoy?
So,
Ano sabi?
ay na. Ayun, meron nga.
Saan?
Ayun o. Pamaypay. So, bibili kami ng pamaypay kasi super init. Ayan. Kailangan natin bumili ng pamaypay. It's so hot. Wala pa tayo sa loob ng Disneyland. Nandito pa lang tayo sa entrance. But we had to stop kasi kailangan ng pamaypay. Super init. Pero mas okay na tong mainit kaysa umuulan. But good luck sa shoot ng init. Sana magligalig si Solana. Ayan. So far, she's still in a good mood kasi madami siyang nakikitang mga baby. Ayan. Hello! You got a fan? Guys, tingnan niyo yung pila. Super haba. Pero if you're a guest, no line because you have your own entrance.
Okay. Can we just show the key card?
Key card or
Key card.
you have luggage.
Key card. Just key
Key
card.
card.
Key card.
Next time you bring me the card holder.
Okay.
Okay.
Next
Okay.
time. 前邊最後嗰條左邊欄。
We're skipping the long line. Buti na lang. Ben, akin nasa cellphone yung nasa cellphone ko yung ticket.
Sige mo lang.
Mickey Mouse!
Ay,
Mickey Mouse! Buti na lang talaga. Nag-dinner na kami kagabi kasi look at the line. Pero, she's still looking at Mickey! Hi, Mickey! Say hi, Mickey! Mickey! Solana will eat!
Sunday?
hapon bro.
Birthday lang tayo. Corporate ba kayo? May business.
Baka wala siya.
Tatay ko,
Bahay
no?
ng mga lolo-lola na.
Gano'ng kadalas kayo doon kapag ako?
Dati po every weekend kayo sir kung kailan na lang, pag may okasyon na lang.
Lapit ba kayo sa dagat?
Malapit sir. Harap namin, bulkan.
Full na tayo.
What are you doing here? Go to your daddy. So, nag-change outfit na siya. Mas comfy na din. Kanina kasi naka-Minnie Mouse siya na costume. So, no! Naka-jumper siya na Minnie Mouse and a shirt. Okay. Let's go na. Let's go. So, kanina, nasa Disneyland kami. And then yun, bumalik kami sa hotel. Nag-rest lang kami for a while. And babalik na ulit kami. So, naligo lang kami kasi nabasa kami ng ulan kanina. But, during the start of the photoshoot, nakagkamera naman kami ng good photos, I think. Maaraw nung umaga, pero biglang umulan. So, ngayon, babalik na ulit kami and nag-a-apply lang ako ng sunscreen. Kasi kahit maulan, medyo may araw pa din.
Disneyland. We're back. Pagkatapos magbihis, magpalit, at subukan magpatulog ng bata. Ito siya ngayon, dito natulog. Day, wala talaga eh. So ngayon, pictorial, manual. Ano yun? Adventure, ano yung Adventureland?
Ayoko dyan, baka matakot sa salana.
Okay, sige na. Picturean ko lang sila. Entering the It's a small world castle. It's a small world after all.
Video mo to, ang ganda. It's a small world after all.
Hi, baby.
Hello, baby sir. Hi, Daddy.
Wow.
Ay, look. Is it Elsa? Kakagising lang.
Baby Lu.
Welcome.
Wow.
Monkey! Monkey ba yan?
Hindi yata.
Wala na, oh. Dong digi 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 dong digi digi.
Hindi, nagdadance siya.
Think we're gonna get Olaf.
Northern the lights. Baby, surprise ha.
Surprise!
Don't look it.
Elsa! Elsa! You want Elsa?
Yay! Finally! Elsa, Elsa, Elsa.
Bayaran natin.
Si ano? Si Falo. Si Olaf. Baby! Who's this? Who's this?
You want Olaf? That's Elsa. How about Olaf?
Olaf or Elsa?
Olaf!
So, Olaf or Elsa? You don't like Olaf?
No.
Okay, no.
Olaf celebration cake.
Pili tayo mamaya. Ito, ice
Pero
cream.
ano mo na ice cream doon sa kabila?
Okay.
Olaf, you want ice cream? Olaf? There, oh.
You like ice cream, right?
Yeah, let's buy.
Wait. Visa.
BGN. You're
May
eating
bata mo ba?
Olaf! Tayo, alisin na natin to. Ah, malo.
Hey, malos yan. Ikaw na, kainin mo na.
I'm biting Olaf. May spoon pala.
Ice cream. Are you sleepy? So, andito kami ngayon sa Frozen Ever After. So, bumibili lang ng priority pass. Kasi yung normal waiting time daw, around 30 to 40 minutes. Pero kung may pass ka, 5 minutes. So, nasa 1,000 plus lang naman. Or wala pa. 1,000 per ticket, per priority pass. Worth it na.
May kita niyo si Elsa.
Elsa. Elsa. Elsa.
Ulit na.
Oh. Kingdom of Arendelle.
Sige na, mama. Harap ko na nga siya eh, para ano?
Amy.
Picture.
Peekaboo. Elsa. Elsa.
Elsa. Hi, baby. Hi. Isa lang, isa lang. Now, from the app. Saan talaga naman? 应该是比较快吧，我想看。我觉得那个
Where's the light?
那个小男孩儿。
Don't be scared, okay? Elsa, where are you? Elsa. Wow, look at the lights. Wow. Oh, wow.
It's that Anna.
Hi, Ola. Hi, Ola. Nagay siya. Hi, Ola.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love.
Hi. Hello. Hindi, yung atras yata yung pan.
Hi, Elsa. Is that Elsa?
Hi, Ola.
Oh, Ola, Ola. Hi, Ola. Ola.
Hi, Anna.
For my sister's magic love. For my sister's magic love.
Hi, Ola. Ding, darling. Baka mahuli na. Tangina nyo. Ola. Hi, Ola. Yay! Fireworks! Ang galing ng dibdib niya, ganunin mo lang.
Natakot yung dami. Wow!
Fireworks!
Ay, that's us. Elsa and Anna. Nakapikit din ako.
Very good, you're so brave.
High five. Yay!
brave kid. Yay!
Look, Elsa is glowing!
Yay, sa wakas.
Ah!
Nangangatal ako ah. Nalaglag si cellphone. Nalaglag si cellphone mo.
Sana ako na lang naghawak, sabi
Hindi,
ko na eh.
hindi yung flashlight mo yung nalaglag.
Ano nga naka-video yan, bebe?
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Elsa!
Bye, Elsa.
Solana. Maybe that's you. Solana? Solana.
Let's go. Ano ba yung house niya?
Grabe. Hindi umiyak si Solana. Yung daddy lang umiyak. Akala ni daddy pang bata. Si daddy napayakap sa bag. Bebe, oh. Happy.
Inuha ko lahat. Ayok.
Ano masasabi mo, be? Napa-roller coaster tayo nung kaya sa oras.
Ayoko na. Tayo na ba yung Mickey Mouse? Ganun din ah. Yabang mo ba? Sabi ko baka mauntog si Solana. Hindi ko na alam nangyari. Oh, baby, reward. Baby, get one again,
You want?
okay?
Okay, get another toy because you're very good. Get another toy, okay? Kakatapos lang namin mag-rap.
What do you want?
Si Piola, pag nakita ko. Bakit?
Tangina.
Nakita ko si Piola, niyayakap niya na yung mga yung mga bag namin. Bebe, ba't bigla mo naman niyakap yung bag? Imbis na
Malaglag.
kaming pamilya mo yung yakapin mo. Bakit?
Kaya hindi mo malalaglag.
Oh, ang cute ng dress, oh. So, Elsa.
Never again, okay?
Yay! Yay! Ang
Very good.
tapang ni Solana na kaya yung roller coaster.
O, doon kayo ni Mami, video ko kayo.
Ayoko yun. Pag ano na, pag malaki na si Solana. Kasi may height na yan. Nagbayad ng 2K para ano. Saan nga yun? Dito? Yay! Where's Elsa? I think she's a brave girl. Feeling ko may makakasama na ako sa roller coaster. Kasi eto, kitang-kita ko yung pagkuha mo sa mga bag.
Baka katapusan na eh, at least sa akin lahat. At least sama ko lahat, di ba?
Did you see Daddy?
Why
He was
did
so scared.
Baka hindi tayo magpangit eh.
Ba't kinuha mo yung bag? Di naman
Utangin ng ride yun.
Ay, no, backwards. Nagre-replay sa utak ko yung pag-cover bag toy kasi tingnan kita kasi malapit na.
Hindi ba malaglag?
Hindi pa lalagay yun. Ay, nako.
Ayaw kong tindi nun.
Gusto lang. Nakita ko gumanunok.
Yun, sila na ganun eh. Yung inabidyo ron nakapigit.
Pero pikit na pikit siya doon.
Ikaw mo yung picture-picit ka din eh.
Kasi nga, nagulat ako. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun ka
Tangina,
kataas.
wala kang makita no. Lalim.
Okay, so ngayon pupunta na kami kay Mickey Mouse. Ganun ulit.
Wala na kayo.
Hindi, ano lang yun, parang pinapanood mo lang sila. Chill na
Baby.
siya. Say hi sa Nana.
Hi, Pluto.
Iba pa rin yung sayo niya kay Mickey Mouse.
Pluto, 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 Pluto.
Yeah, Pluto. Pluto.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hindi naman dali yan eh.
By Storyland, you're gonna see Woody.
Tulog yung pamilyo.
Okay lang yan. Gigising ko ulit. Hi, Woody! Where's Woody?
Naulan na siya, Mi.
Where's Woody? There! There's Woody!
Next time, come to Shuffle when we're all there.
Where's Woody? There's Woody!
Our last stop. Mickey the Wondrous Book. Capacity 1,000 seats. Nauna na. Naka, sige, takbo mo. Yun. Deserve. Deserve. Nanguuna ka kasi eh.
Kaya nga, 7 pa naman.
Wish I could be part of it. And looking basically, just wonder when will my life be? What would I give if I could live at take to my gallery. I'll play guitar and it in my life be fun. I'm easy to spend a day warm on the sand. Let my life begin, and I'll reread the books. If I have time to spare, I'll paint the wall.
The snow goes white on the mountain tonight. Not if it brings to be seen. Don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel. Don't let them know. Let it go. Let it go. And all promise until break of dawn. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, clap it up. Yay! Elsa! Say hi to Elsa. Hi, Elsa! Elsa! Solana loves you. Wala na po lang. So, tuloy yung momentos. Nakikita niyo sila ng fireworks. Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah! But we're gonna eat first.
Okay, let's go. Ano oras ba yung Momentos?
8:30.
Okay. May time pa tayo kumain.
Record naman. Ay, may bird! 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 Lagi delikado pagkain ko dyan.
Hindi, wala yan. Baby! Bird! Ah, bird! Oh, eat na ulit, eat!
Ako naman yung kakain kasi tapos na si Chris. Yummy! Yummy!
Galing mahigo.
Aba! Marunong ka na maghigo pa. Peekaboo! 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 Oh, you eat na, you eat na. Show mommy how to eat ramen.
Alay!
Mickey!
Oh, ramen!
Ang galing umigo pa.
More, 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 more! Baby!
Mahulog.
More! Hindi ako napapa... Very good.
Clapping!
Clapping!
Wala na, clap, 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 clap! Solana!
course.
Visiting. Oh, let's take a selfie.
Let's take a selfie, ah.
Bye, Mickey. Thank you. Wow, mag-peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. Happy birthday, baby. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Wow.
Yay!
Bye, baby. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Good girl. Say hi to the camera. Hi. The baby's crying. Say, oh, baby's crying. Then you say, Salam sir.
Basta.
Okay, so pauwi na kami sa hotel. We're so tired, pero maliligo pa kami. Baby.
Say peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Pika. No, and ice.
Ice.
Pika.
Pika.
Pika. Sure. Pika.
Ice.
Ice.
Go for
Rubber
ice. Ice.
Pika.
The baby's crying. Can you say? Anna, baby crying. The baby's crying. Can you say?
Say shh. Say shh.
Man. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Oh yeah. Say shh.
Anna?
Is that Mickey?
Oh, hi, Salala. Hi. Bato, pik. Bato, pik. Bato.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Dance. Go dance.
Checking out na. Here. Sleepy. Yay! We're going out na. You want to go to the playhouse? Oh, say bye-bye na to Mickey. Gusto na, Mickey. Bye, Mickey. We're gonna come back. Who knows? Next year. Bye-bye. Bye, room. Bye, Mickey Mouse room. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. Mas malakas kaysa sa ulan kahapon. Kung ganyan yung ulan kahapon, hindi matutuloy yung photoshoot ni Solana. Sayang yung nabook ng photographer. Pero pinagbigyan talaga siya. Naka-carrier lang ako, Mom Cozy. And si Daddy, may dala lahat ng luggage. So gusto ko sana bumalik dun sa pinagkainan namin ng buffet. Kaso nang maulan. Eh yung gusto kong puntahan dun, yung parang outdoor garden nila. So pupunta na lang kami dun sa isa pang hotel. Kasi merong parang playroom dun. So baka ma-enjoy ni Solana. Hi! Hi, Daddy. Mickey Mouse. Ang cute ng mga ano nila dito. Oh. Characters din. Very Mickey Mouse talaga ang Hollywood Hotel. Dito na ba? See, very Mickey Mouse. Lahat Mickey Mouse. So, the next time na bumalik kami dito, doon naman kami sa kabilang hotel. Which is pupuntahan namin ngayon para ma-check din namin yung itsura. Pero parang Mickey Mouse din yun. Okay. Shoot. Going down. ayun, nakita niya si Donald sa bag ni Daddy. Parang mas madami yung tao ngayon. Siguro kasi, ano ba ngayon? Friday? Ngayon. Weekend. Kaya mas madami yung tao. Ang daming tao, guys. See? Hindi ganito ka-crowded nung nag-check-in kami. Baby! Say bye-bye na to Mickey Mouse. Bye, Mickey! Bye. Ayun na ata, oh.
Saan ko pinalagay sa'yo?
Alam.
As mas natin pwede claim. Dali, sali ko lang.
Hi, where can I claim this? Gift shop. I'll just show you. Yes. Gift shop. When you check in here, there's like a free gift from the hotel. So, i-claim namin siya ngayon. Sana bag tag para pag next travel namin. Tapos may sarili ng luggage sa Lana. May bag tag na din. Guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Oh, hindi na namin napuntahan yung pool. So right now, we're entering the store because i-claim natin to. I hope it's a bag tag.
Choose one.
Okay.
Free gift, yeah.
Dito dapat kami magbe-breakfast, guys. If there's one thing I've learned from this trip, hindi pwede ipang-breakfast si Solana at si Piolo. Ang late nilang magising. Sayang yung oras. Now we're just waiting for the resort shuttle para makapunta na kami sa kabilang hotel. Yeah. See you next year. Manifesting. Pa-check out ka na?
Atin na pala to. Sabi, so piniki ka for you.
So, here's the resort shuttle going to the other hotel. Ito na lang talaga kahapon, maganda yung weather. Umuulan ng konti pero maganda pa rin yung weather. Compared mo dito, ayan, kumukulog-kulog pa. Ay, nako. Buti na lang, effective yung prayer ni Mommy and Daddy. Tingnan nyo, meron silang ganito dito kasi madami talagang insects dito. Daddy will spray. Yan. Si Solana hindi na kasi naka-pants naman siya. Si Daddy lagi naka-shorts. Grabe, lakas ng ulan. This is this Explorers Lodge Hotel. And that's our hotel. Solana is asleep.
Careful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So this is the Disneyland Explorers Lodge. Ayan. Ang daming tao. The weekend. Ganda. Ang ganda niya, no? What if next time, malay niyo dito naman kami magstay next time. Gamit ni Donald, Mickey, mini things kapag nagka-camping. Ang cute. Cute. Mga gamit ni Goofy pag nagka-camping. Hi, where's the elevator going to the Nemo Reef?
You mean the playroom?
Yeah.
Go straight, right hand side, then go down to the second floor.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. And doon na natin gigisingin si... later na.
Kasi hindi natin dala yung voucher.
Doon na natin gigisingin si... Dala ko. Doon na natin gigisingin si Solana kapag nandun na tayo sa playroom. And then, she's gonna buy another toy later. Yung trip niya man. Kala mo talaga nasa camping ka eh, no? This is where we are going. Recreation.
Hindi ka pwede. Wala kang medyas.
Go, Solana, go! Solana! Go! Solana! Yay! One, two, three. Whee!
Bebe, tabi ko yan.
Be, madulas yan. 1, 2, 3. Sulan, be, maano yung ulo. 1, 2, 3, Solana! Whee! More? More slide, Solana? More! More, Daddy.
Slide.
Ah. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Yan. Bebe. Oh, hi. Yay. Diba nag-enjoy? Solana, clap, 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 clapping. Let's go. Let's go. Dance, 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 dance. Playtime. Guys, mali yung oras natin na pasok.
Later, we'll back, okay?
Will ba? Alika, wear your shoes. Solana shoes. So, we're going to the airport. Nag-book na lang kami ng Uber. Because, ang lakas ng ulan. Okay. Let's go.
Okay ba, be? Okay ba service mo?
So hungry. I can't wait to eat lunch.
Gate outlets. Okay. Dito kami ngayon sa City Gate. Magbabalipas oras. Daddy time muna. Sige, kuya, ipasok mo na. Daddy's time. Alam na. Puro outlet kasi dito, guys, eh. Catherine Bernardo.
Ito na, daddy's time. Puro sapatos.
Tayo, station yan.
Oh, yung ngiti niya, oh, kanina masungit yan. Lahat yan pang kay daddy.
Kaya mo?
Oh no, I can't. Please use lift if you're carrying a baggage or stroller.
Okay. Moment of truth. Kung mayroon ba stock.
Buy to get 10%.
Oh, wala, be.
Sana may stock kasi hinahanap niya to kahapon sa Mongkok. Pero walang stock. Let's see kung meron dito. Sleeping, baby. Wala. Check lang sa ibang branch kung may stock. Tulog pa din.
Para damay si Mark.
Walang size. Kumain na lang tayo.
Walang stock.
Wala ring stock. Let's just eat. Level 4.
Perfect wrap.
Ang muna. Sarap. What's this? Pork? You don't know what you ordered. Ito ata duck. Peking duck. Kasi parang pag black parang so you want so we're gonna eat lunch na kasi 2 PM na no? 2 PM na wala pa kami lunch or 1 PM na so kakain na kami ng lunch hinahanap lang kami ng restaurant na gusto kami wala yung color na gusto ko dun sa glasses sayang minsan lang ako bumili ng eyeglasses kasi ayoko talaga nag-eyeglasses kahit na super labo ng eyes ko pero gusto ko yung glasses na yun and hindi ako nagmamahal na yung glasses like yung pang prescription na glasses kasi lagi ko siyang either nauupuan ko or nawawala pero gusto ko talaga yung ganong style ng glasses yung sa Miu Miu kaya lang wala siyang color sa Causeway Bay pa daw aalis na kami later. Baka naman di kami umabot sa flight kung magka-Causeway Bay pa. So, I think it's not meant for me. Maybe in another time or pag nag-Thailand kami, pwede. Finally, nandito na kami sa mga food. I'm so hungry. Still sleeping, but ayan. I'm so excited! Parang first time nating ibang bansang wala tayong binili. So, lahat. Oo. So, literal na birthday trip lang talaga ni Solana yun. Alis namin ngayon.
Oyster.
Si Solana? Oyster?
Hindi ikaw.
Ako, ayoko. Pakindak ako. She's happy naman.
100 lang.
So, ngayon, while we're still here, we're gonna mukbang.
Sweet dice, wagyu beef.
Baka di natin maubos yung platter ha, dalawa lang
Hindi
tayo.
half lang, half. May half option. Ano yata yung level?
Saan?
Anong level pa siya?
Ground. Guys, dito na yung Solana and then we're just gonna go to Bakehouse. I wanted to try the sourdough egg tart kasi last time sa Causeway Bay, super happy kasi pero dito sa City Gate walang line, so we're gonna buy. Thank you. Solana's birthday trip is done. Sleepy baby! Every time she rides a car, airplane, or whatever, she gets sleepy. Nangitim kami lahat sa Disneyland kasi nung umaga super init. Look. Si Solana pati cheeks niya, oh, sunburn. Ay, sorry. We're here at Terminal 2. Terminal 2. And guys, ang ganda. You like it? Solana?
Bakit? Ano? Titimbangin pa doon? Uy, ikaw muna. Kulang pa. Kulang pa yan.
Wow! Yay! Okay. You want Jolly? Solana! Hi! Say hi. Can you say hi to mommy? Hi! How old are you? How old are you? 1. Yay! Okay. You want Jollibee? Ganda ng airport dito. Oh. Siya. Okay.
Solana!
Hi, Solana!
Baby!
Kwento mo yung nangyari.
Tapos na kami sa immigration. Ang tagal namin doon sa labas.
Nawala
Sabi
sa
namin
isip
parang iba na yung itsura nung airport. Papasok nga pala kami ng immigration dapat.
Kasi 1 year kami hindi nag-travel. So, bo is bo. Where are we going?
Doon tayo sa lift.
Okay.
So,
now,
ngayon... Ha?
Bumili kang pagkain. Bumili na siyang pagkain.
Oo, bumili
kasi
na
doon
pagkain.
kami tatambay. Tapos mali pala.
Ending, nakumpiska pa yung isa namin pagkain.
Tsaka yung
Kaya
spray
ganun.
ni Solano na confiscate. So, baby, don't poo. Don't poo, okay?
Sa Manila na.
Na-confiscate yung diaper spray niya. Sa Philippines, lumusot dito, hindi.
Hindi, okay na yun. At least free check-in yung baggage.
So now, we're gonna eat. Mag-vlog ka. We're gonna eat and then change into comfy clothes hanggang flight na namin.
Yep. Bye.
Wow! Open?
Tinapon na.
Hala. Open, madali.
Open.
Mamaya na. Na?
Wow, what is this?
Solano, look, it's Stitch.
May heart sakto. Ring ni Daddy pumili. Baby, look.
Wow! Stitch! Yay! I'll hug it. Hug Stitch.
Excuse me.
Hug Stitch. Hug. Yay! My favorite. Final goal na! Run! Nag-high pa siya. Nag-high pa siya.
Sinong mga tumakbo?
Oh my goodness, si Solana nag-enjoy lang siya eh. Kala niya naglalaro tayo.
Final goal na kaway pa, ano?
Pawis na pawis kami. Tignan niyo si Piolo. Final call na, baby! Oh. So that's it.
Say hi.
Ah, bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Baby!
Can you wait? Waiting.
Say hi!
This one is the pancake. That's the jelly.
Oh, high five!
This one all the pancake.
You're so wonderful. You're so wonderful. Baby, is you really exist? Yes. Oh, see. Wonderful. Bye-bye.
What's your name?
What's his name?
Your name is?
Is? Follow.
Bye-bye.
You? Ask the baby. What is your name?
What's your name? God, you're so wonderful. You got the food. You do that. Also, should I do that? Oh. Sit.
Pika. Dito yung power bank.
Pika.
As we are about to close the main cabin door.
Pika.
You went to Disneyland.
Mickey
Mickey Mouse.
Some Mickey. Yes.
You saw the Mickey Mouse?
Pika.
How old is Solana? How old are you? One. Where's your tummy? Tummy. More. Where's Solana? Solana. How do you pray? Pray, pray, pray. Pray like this. Pray. Arms up, arms up, arms up. Some camera, camera. Look at the camera. Picture. Picture. Yay! Say Papa. Ball. Where's the bird? Eh, Be.